Hello, this is Rashid from Pakistan. This is a activity for the session number 6, NLP Natural Language Processing. Here we have handwritten text recognitions project activity we have to do. So I have wrote this code for this text and I already changed and make it for the recognitions of fruits. So here I wrote, if handwritten text is recognize, our result shows as an apple, so it will say apples come in various colors like red, greens, whatsoever its descriptions. Similarly, mangoes and bananas, grapes. So let we have to check the codes and we'll see it will work for the handwritten text or not. So I will start running code. My camera is switched off because it will work here. So okay, now it's working fine. So I will take a text. First of all, I have to flip the camera. Sorry. Yeah. You have less than 200 codes. Press OK to. Okay. Let's do activity first. Try again. It will say. Let's again. Okay, good. Toby says bananas are yellows, potassium's rich fruits known for their convenience and energy boosting qualities. Good. Now let's try another apple. Well done. Apples come in various colors like reds, greens, and yellows and offers. So the code is working fine. Toby is showing and describing the fruits. Well done. So this was the activities for the handwritten text recognitions. So I will stop the code. Stop.